Hello everyone, welcome back to this video series on how to design a hair salon website with Elementor Pro on WordPress MS. Okay, in our previous episode we have designed a services page, and in this video let's design a stylist page. Okay, and here we will copy this our services or title section from the services page and copy it on stylist page. Here and here we can change these wordings. For example, says our team members. Here we say our stylist. Sorry, stylist. Okay, something like this. Then we can insert three column section, advanced, padding about 20 to the top and 150 to the bottom. Okay, coming back here, insert image widget, insert the image of your team member. Then title of team member, about his for. Okay, then here advanced, padding about 15 to the left, 15 to the right. Okay, then duplicate this here stylist, destination high 6, style, change the color to gray, typography style italic, something like this. Okay, and here in the column setting, what we can do with Z space, reduce this to about 10. Okay, and here on this widget, column give about 10 to the top. Okay, now we have. Then text editor, okay, advanced, 15 about to the left, 15 to the right, and style justified. Okay, and text is too much, we do not need much description, and few a line of description is enough. Then social icons, left align, social icons, then style size 20. Yeah, okay, advanced, padding about 15 to the left, 15 to the right. Okay, go back to this column, advanced, padding, we need to insert about 40 to the bottom. Style, we can insert border radius about 15. Then box shadow, okay, reduce the box shadow, opacity. Okay, here we go. And when we add the column setting, go to advanced. Here let's add little margin at the right side, right side about 20. Okay, then we can duplicate this column. Once again, duplicate this. Then we can delete these blank columns. Blank, yeah, blank box. Oh, here we go. And go to this column setting, advanced. Here, wow, there is margin 20 per pixel at the right. We do not need this. Remove this and instead add on the left side here. Then here in this column setting, we have 20 pixel margin. We do not need this. Remove this. Okay. Yeah. Oh, these three columns are not of the same size. These two are same, but this one little different. So let's go to the section setting, layout, but you can analyze space evenly. Okay, like this, or space around, space between, like this. Okay. And if you want to make them of the same size, here you have to insert view margin about 10 on the left, 10 on the right. Okay, so that they are of the same size. Okay, depends on your choice. Here if you have more than 3 items, you can just duplicate this column. Okay, now we have design our team stylist team members section. Then let's copy the call to action section, booking appointment section, copy this. Yeah, main point for this website is display this booking appointment form. This website is displaying what we do and who we are. At the same time, this website is a booking appointment booking yeah, website. Okay, here we go. Update it. Okay, let's see how it looks on mobile phones. First, okay, then here, oh, here on the mobile we need to insert or remove this 20 margins, and here we go. Here same time remove this margin, instead add little about 20 to the top. And the gap here. Then same here, release the margin, then add about 20 pixel to the top. Okay, coming down here, appointment form. Okay, it works. Let's see how it looks on tablet. Yeah, it's okay, it's fine. Okay, update it and we are good. If you want to make senses here, you can reduce the margin here, reduce the gap between these columns, or you can display two columns in one row and another column in below. Okay, that's what you can do. Okay, this is how it looks. And that's it for this episode. we have designed another page in this video, and I hope you like it, or you have learned something new. These videos are especially helpful for those beginners, WordPress beginners or Elementor beginners. Yeah, and yeah, we are especially designing this website with Elementor only, without using other plugins or add-ons. So yeah, if you want to design this with other page builders or Gutenberg editor, it's yeah, you can also leave a comment below. I will do a version, Gutenberg version, or other page builders like yeah, DB, Breezy, whatever. Okay, thanks for watching this video, and yeah, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe my YouTube channel. If you have any questions, reach out to me on WhatsApp or Facebook. See you in the next episode. Bye bye.